Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We have got a very nice multi-cylinder. It's an Ilco and it comes from my good friend Bobby Keyz. There we go, pinned by Bobby Keyz, 1817-17, and the bitting. Quite nice bitting. Do you like the key? Looks fairly old, or the design looks fairly vintage, which is pretty cool. As you can see, we work absolutely fine, really smooth, no hang-ups. Hopefully we can get this picked. But before we get on, same as usual, if you're interested in lock sport or lock picking, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, and if you like what you see on my channel, interested in more, please hit that subscribe button down there, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock reviews, all types of things really, lock related things I should say. But also, if you go to my channel where it says about my channel, there's a massive list of pickers on there that you can go and check out. All great guys, awesome, absolutely fantastic. You'll definitely learn something from each and every one of them. So let's have a go at getting this done. There's my rubber. That's what we need. Actually, no, I don't need them. I don't know why I put them on. I'm what you call a spanner. We're leaning down. Yep, we're tight. That's what we need. Right. Raise this down a little bit, and let's have a look what we're running on. On the other side, a small hook and a. Give me 1 second. I need. That's the one. There we go. Nope, that's the wrong one. That's the one. I had hold of the tension wrench. So we use a homemade tension wrench, top of the keyway, and a very nice hook. Medium hook that I got from Bobby himself. Absolute great guy. Please check out his channel. I will leave the name and link in the bottom. The links work on and off for some reason, but I will definitely leave his name and everything in the description. Let's see what we can do with this lock. We're going to go that way. Click off one. Nope, we'll have to 1 second. Swap to reset that one. Swap. I'm going to go for. Just realised that hook is a bit too deep, so go for a nice Trekmaster hook, which is a very. It's a small hook, very nice. Another great guy. There's a little click off one and a little move of the core. For a reset for that one. Click on one. Oh, nice. Fault set going there. There's a possibility I just lost that again. Oh. Four. Nope, we keep getting it back, I keep losing it. We'll put that one back because I think what we're going to need for that one, I just realised, is the sparrows with the homemade handle. As you can see, because I can't get that very back pin at number 5 for some reason. for a reset. Click on 1, click on 2. A bit more of a fault set, click on 4. That's helped that one, that was 5. I've got to click on 2 again. Nothing on 1. Oh, we've got a bit of a default set going. Getting a lot of counter on 4. Every time I push that pin up, I lose that false set, and it seems that everything just jams up. Let's try counterclockwise. Click off 1, 2. No, it definitely prefers it clockwise. I'm having a bit of a problem with that hook. I'm gonna try the Tripmaster one again. So, click on 1, click on 2. And we got that massive amount of counter again on 4. Oh, let's go for another reset. Click on 3. Default set again. One's done. It's not 2. Let's try a different hook on nope. It's definitely putting up a fight, this one. And there we go, we're open. Wow, that was definitely tricky. Loads of good feedback, but definitely tricky, that one. Well done there, Bobby, mate. That was a really good pick. Right, let's get it gutted. Let's get penny tray. Let's lock it back up. Right, That's the one. Let's look at the screwdriver. So yeah, really nice lock to pick. Very, very tricky. That, I think it's that number 4 pin. The amount of counter I was getting on that, and then it felt like it was locking up. So now I have gutted this lock when we did. I did a reassemble lock. Didn't realise I'd not actually picked this lock, but I actually can't remember what was in it. So I'm definitely curious to find out what was in it now. A follower. That'll do, I think. Hopefully. Don't want to turn this into a fail. Oh, looks like we got stuck. I know why. You know what? While we're there, let's just take this first one out. I can see what it is. I have to be really gentle because I don't want to lose anything. It's... There we go. We're in. What I'll do is, let's put that driver there. And we know where it actually went. Just make sure I turn this to the left just a little bit. And we should. There we go. We're all the way through. As everything works nice and smoothly. Everything had to be picked. You see there? Alright, let's have a look. Oh, very nice spool serrated key pin. A second very nicely spooled key pin. Very nice serrated key pin on number 3. Number 4 is a wide serrated key pin, and number 5 is a very nice little spool we've got inside here. There we go. Yep, we have got threaded in 1, 3 and 4. We have nothing in 2 and 5. Very, very cool bobby, my friend. Let's see. Now we know what's in the last one, but we'll do that last anyway. Right, first one, we got a very nice, very, very thinly spreaded serrations. That's something that Bobby's known for. He makes really good, very, very tight serrated keeping drivers and keypins. Well, very nice half spool driver. We've got another 2 copper springs in there, and we've got a double one. What's this? I'm just checking. Is that? No, it's like a wafer, but it's like a T-pin, and the wafer was on the bottom. Number 4. That's what was giving me the chip, though. It was number 4 and it was number 3. Very cool, Bobby. Very, very cool, my friend. And then last but not least, we did get out. It's just a case of the spring. Nope. I don't think the spring wants to leave. Oh, we got you. There we go. I'm sorry the video was took slightly so long, but it must make them interesting sometimes. We've got nothing in the Bible, which it's been plugged up, so yeah, it's done nothing in there. Let's have a quick look at these key pins and these drivers. There we go. Something very beautiful. We've got serrated with a spool at the top. We've got a deep. We've got it's like a double type spool. Very tight serrations. Like I say, I've not ever seen Bobby do these. Are really, really, really cool. Wide serrations, and then we've got another spool And then we got the drivers. We've got a load of serrations. We've got the spool again, well, like our spool, and we've got this bugger. It's got serrations, and it's like a T-pin with the bottom of it, which is a wafer, which is a, that's what was causing such a deep fault set. And then we've got this one, number 4, work of art. It's got loads of deep serrations, slightly spooled, and then some more deep serrations. And then we've got 2, which is really wide spool, double spool. And then we've got all copper springs, just different types and slightly different sizes, but absolutely fantastic lock, mate. Absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed picking that. Absolute great feedback. I'll be sending those 2 locks that I got for you on to our mutual friend. Won't tell him in case he watches this, and he will get them. But yeah, brilliant lock. Please check out Bobby. He's absolutely awesome guy. That's Bobby Keyz with a Z. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.